You've probably seen castor oil popping up everywhere lately, from your social media feed to beauty blogs. But what's all the buzz about? Is it just another trend, or is there something truly special about this ancient oil? Today, we diving deep into the world of castor oil to uncover its incredible benefits and show you exactly how to use it to upgrade your beauty and wellness routine. From glowing skin to luscious hair, this humble oil might just be the multitasking hero your cabinet has been missing. So, let's start with the basics. When you're shopping for castor oil, you'll want to look for one that is cold-pressed, unrefined, and hexane-free. Cold-pressed means the oil was extracted without heat, which preserves its vital nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. Hexane-free is also crucial because hexane is a chemical solvent sometimes used in the extraction process, and you definitely don't want that on your skin or in your body. Opting for organic is always a great choice too, as it ensures the castor beans were grown without pesticides. A good quality castor oil should be a pale yellow color with a mild, slightly nutty scent. Now let's talk about skin. One of the biggest stars in castor oil is ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that makes up about 90% of the oil. This acid is a powerful anti-inflammatory, which is fantastic news if you struggle with irritated or inflamed skin conditions like acne, eczema, or psoriasis. It helps to soothe redness and calm angry skin. Plus, castor oil is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. It also creates a protective barrier on the skin's surface, locking in that moisture and shielding your skin from environmental stressors. This combination of hydration and protection helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a smoother, more youthful complexion. And don't worry about it clogging your pores. It's considered low on the comedogenic scale, making it suitable for most skin types, even oily and acne-prone skin. So, how do you actually use it on your skin? It's super simple. You can use it as a standalone moisturizer or as an oil cleanser. For moisturizing, just take a few drops, warm them up between your palms, and gently press the oil onto your face and neck after cleansing. Since it's quite thick, you might prefer to mix it with a lighter carrier oil like jojoba or sweet almond oil. A 1-to-1 ratio works well, but feel free to experiment to find the perfect consistency for your skin. For oil cleansing, which is a fantastic way to dissolve makeup, sunscreen, and impurities, massage a small amount of castor oil onto your dry face for about a minute. Then, take a warm, damp washcloth, lay it over your face to steam for a few seconds, and gently wipe everything away. Your skin will feel incredibly clean, soft, and balanced. And we can't talk about castor oil without mentioning eyelashes and eyebrows. Many people swear by it for helping to grow longer, thicker lashes and fuller brows. The ricinoleic acid we talked about earlier is thought to stimulate circulation at the hair follicle, promoting healthier and stronger growth. The oil also conditions the hairs themselves, preventing them from becoming brittle and breaking off. To use it, make sure you have a clean mascara wand or a small, clean brush. Before bed, dip the wand into your castor oil, wipe off any excess, and carefully apply it to your upper and lower lash lines, just like you would with eyeliner. Then, brush a small amount through your eyebrows. Be consistent with this every night, and with a little patience, you might be amazed by the results you see in a few weeks or months. But the benefits don't stop there. Castor oil can be a lifesaver for dry, chapped lips, especially in the winter. Just dab a tiny bit on your lips before bed, and you'll wake up to a softer, smoother pout. It's also a wonderful cuticle oil. Massaging it into your cuticles and nails can strengthen brittle nails and moisturize the surrounding skin. And if you have dry, cracked heels or elbows, applying a generous layer of castor oil and putting on some cotton socks or sleeves overnight can work wonders. It's truly a head-to-toe moisturizer. Let's circle back to using it on your face with a little more detail. Creating a castor oil pack for your face can be a deeply relaxing and beneficial treatment. You'll need a piece of soft cloth, like cotton flannel, that's large enough to cover your face. Saturate the cloth with warm castor oil. You can warm it by placing the bottle in a bowl of hot water. Lie down, place the cloth over your face, and relax for about 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the oil to deeply penetrate your skin, reducing inflammation and boosting hydration. It's like a mini spa treatment at home. This can be especially soothing for puffy eyes or congested sinuses. Just be careful not to get the oil directly in your eyes. Now for the big one, hair growth. This is probably one of the most popular uses for castor oil. The theory is that its anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting properties help create a healthier scalp environment, which is essential for healthy hair growth. It can also help combat scalp issues like dandruff and dryness thanks to its antimicrobial properties. To use it as a hair growth treatment, you'll want to do a scalp massage. Since castor oil is so thick, it's best to mix it with a lighter oil like coconut, olive, or argan oil. A 50-50 blend is a good starting point. Section your hair and use your fingertips to massage the oil mixture directly into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. This massage is key because it stimulates blood flow to the follicles. Once your scalp is fully covered, you can work any remaining oil through the lengths of your hair to condition and prevent split ends. Then, pile your hair on top of your head, cover it with a shower cap or a warm towel, and let it sit for at least an hour or even overnight for a deep treatment. When you're ready, wash it out thoroughly. You might need to shampoo twice to get all the oil out. Do this once or twice a week, and you should notice your hair feeling stronger, softer, and healthier over time. Finally, a very important note on castor oil and pregnancy. You may have heard about castor oil being used to induce labor. This is a traditional practice, but it is absolutely crucial that it is only ever done under the strict supervision of a qualified healthcare professional, like a doctor or midwife. Taking castor oil to induce labor can cause strong uterine contractions and also significant gastrointestinal distress, like nausea and diarrhea, which can lead to dehydration. It is not something to be tried on your own. If you are pregnant, please consult your doctor before using castor oil in any way, even topically, just to be safe. It's always better to prioritize the health and safety of both you and your baby by seeking professional medical advice. So there you have it, the complete guide to the amazing world of castor oil. It's an affordable, natural, and incredibly versatile product that can benefit your skin, hair, and nails in so many ways. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.